If your Nintendo Switch isn't reading game cartridges, then this video is for you. This can happen due to dirty cartridge, a dusty slot, or even a minor software bug. Let's try a few easy fixes to get your games working again. They could work or could not, but it doesn't hurt to try things out. So first of all, solution 1. Plug in a headphone. This might sound completely irrelevant, but the power sources of your Switch card reader and headphone jack are connected. So when you connect your headphones to the slot, it might trip out the auxiliary port and make it short circuit, which will lead to the card slot detecting your game. Insert a pair of wired headphones into the headphone jack at the top of the console. Leave them plugged in for a few seconds, then remove them. Now try inserting the game cartridge again. This sounds odd, but it works for a lot of people experiencing weird cartridge reader glitches. Solution 2. Check the game card. So if you have 2 game cards or more, try to insert another game card on your Switch to check if the problem was card specific. If you see the other card working fine, you can just bring out the game card that is good, then insert the bad one again. This simple thing might help your Switch reconfigure the game properly this time and help it work. Solution 3. Clean the game cartridge. Take out the game card carefully. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently clean the gold contacts on the back of the cartridge. If you have rubbing isopropyl alcohol, then you can use it to wipe the part more effectively. Wipe in straight lines. Don't circle, as it can damage the area. Also avoid using any liquids. In the meanwhile, you can also use a can of compressed air or gently blow air into the cartridge slot of your Nintendo Switch. Dust inside the slot can also block the connection, so this might help. Don't poke anything inside. Just a short burst of air will do. Now reinsert the cartridge and test again. Solution 4. Update your system. Go to System Settings from your Nintendo home screen. Scroll all the way down to System. Choose System Update. If there is an update available, install it and try the game card again. Updates can fix bugs with hardware recognition, like the cartridge reader. Solution 5. Clear system cache and force restart. Go back to System Settings from your home screen. Scroll all the way down to System. On the right side, scroll all the way down again. Select Formatting Options. Choose Reset Cache from here, and then select the user. This will reset the user cache and fix any underlying software bug. Now what's left is to force restart your Switch. To do this, press and hold the power button on the top of the console. Keep holding it for 15 full seconds. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. Once done, release the button. Wait for a second. Now press the power button normally for 3 seconds. Your Switch will now light up. So try to check if the game is working now. And guys, those were the fixes you can try to hopefully resolve the game not reading problem by yourself, without needing to take the device to a repair shop. Let me know if these steps helped your Nintendo Switch read the game or if you need further help.